Hello viewers, so you're welcome back to today mathematics class for this upcoming SS2 Promotion Exam. So I have this question this morning for one of my students from the VIP because we did night class yesterday. I think we almost sleep. It's not around 2:30. Yeah, right on the class we did with 2:30. But this morning before I wake up, I'll see this question on my GM again. Ask me this question to help then solve this question. Okay, you can see this question are displaying on the screen right now. I'll display the question on the screen. So I'll read it and I will solve it. So I decided to share it with others so we also can benefit from this video. There's a tendency that this question will come out in this upcoming promotion examination. So let's do not joke with it. So if you are just joining for the first time, do it to subscribe, like us turn the button. Guess what? You're benefit like this. You then be the first one to try. We always drop content based on our education, often exam past question, daily mathematics lesson. If you want to join us, can let me know in the comment section. So let's quickly solve this problem and let's solve this problem. The question is that table 3.1, age of the students. We have the table. So let me the table. Let me say we have the age. We have the age. We have the age of 16. Okay. 16. We have the age of 17, and we have the age of 18. And the number of the students, let me put that n as well, number of is O. Let me put that SOS, okay? Number of the student have the 16 years, there are 4 in numbers. 17 years, they are 8 in number, and 18 years, they are 6 in number. Now the question is, further, the table 3.5, the 3.1 showed the age of the student in a particular class. What is the probability that that a student shoots at random is less than 18? So we want to find the probability of the students. If the student was probably shoots at random, the probability of the students that students shoot, they are less than 18. Now, to get that, to remember the question, if this topic is under probability, that is what I always tell my students whenever I see the question in exam, identify the topic of the question. So when you understand the topic of the question, you find it easy to solve. Because every topic in mathematics has their step by step to solve it, and it has the rules. So because the topic of this question has already exposed, the probability formula is given that probability is equal to expected outcome over the total possible outcome. That is the formula. You have the expected outcome and just write it as EO. That is means that E represents as expected and O represents outcome. And here it is T represents total possible outcome. That is the formula of probability. So when talking about probability, this is the formula to solve it. Now, you may ask me a question, what does it mean by the expected and what does it mean by the total possible outcome? Let's break it down like this. We have the expected as EO. It means that what are we trying to find? That the question said that what are we trying to find? And the question said that we should find the probability when we choose a student, they are the age of this particular student that we choose, they are less than what? 18. Maybe the student they are less than 18. So the question means that we are trying to find the probability of the student that are less than 18. So it means that the expected outcome we want to find a student they are less than 18. The student that do answer the student that are less than 18, we have 17 years and less than 18 years and 16 years and less than 18 years. So that means that the number of students of 17 years plus the number of students of 16 years we added together, that will be our expected outcome. Now, that will be equal to 16 years, that's 4, plus 17 years, that's 8. So let's add it together, 4 plus 8, that gives us 12. As simple as that. So it means that our expected outcome is equal to 12. Now, that will bring us to this total possible outcome. And the total possible outcome means that the total number of the students in that particular class. And the first number of the students, we have the age of 16, they are 4 in numbers, and age of 17 years, they are 8 in numbers, and age of 18 years, they are 6 in number. So it means that the total possible outcome means that we add this one together to this, that will be the total number of the students in the class. So that will be equal to, that's 4 plus 8 plus 6. So when you have 4 plus 8 plus 6, that's equal to what? 18. Now we have get our expected total possible outcome and the expected outcome. So let's put it into the probability. Now you know, so therefore the probability of getting a student at less than 18, when put at less than 18 is equal to, we have the expected outcome that is equal to 12 over the total possible outcome that is equal to what? 18. Now let's find the common factor here. So what can divide both sides now? At least 6 is common to both sides. When you have 6 here, that is equal to what? 2. When you have 6 in 80, that is what? 3. So that means the probability of choosing a number of students less than 18 is equal to, that's 2 over 3. So that is the solution to this problem. That is the solution to this problem. So if you look at the option here, that is option C. So that is how you solve this question. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn the button. Guess what? We have a benefit like this. You can be for notified. And thank you for sharing. God bless us to share. And if you are watching off our Facebook page, our TikTok, Instagram, anywhere you are watching our video at this moment, please give us give a like and follow us for more video like this. And let me give you this training. If you have any junior colleagues, or if you have anyone around you that are still in secondary school that want to join this holiday lesson rather, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you. I wish you success in this exam.